Let's make Thai Paneer Satay in Jain. A perfect appetizer or a party snack. Can you see how creamy and crunchy this peanut butter from Alpino food is? A perfect peanut butter for this recipe. Now in a bowl, create a harmonious blend of peanut butter, coconut milk, soy sauce, dry ginger powder, red chili powder, dhana jeera powder, sugar, salt, pepper powder and tamarind pulp. Mix the ingredients well until you get a smooth paste. If the sauce is too thick, you can add a little water to achieve your desired consistency. Add the paneer sticks to the marinade and gently coat them. Allow the paneer to marinate for about 30 minutes to an hour. Thread the marinated paneer sticks onto the soaked bamboo skewers. Heat a grill pan or a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Brush the surface with oil to prevent sticking. Place the paneer skewers on the heated pan and cook until they are golden brown. Now in a pan, add oil and blanched French beans, saute for 2 or 3 minutes. Then add capsicum and saute again for a minute. Then add soy sauce, lemon juice, green chilies, salt, pepper and leftover satay sauce. Mix everything well, add water and cornflour slurry and your satay sauce is ready. Now add the sauce to a cup and place the satay sticks in it. Garnish with green chilies and enjoy it hot. If you like this recipe, please leave us a comment. Remember to like, save, share and follow us for more.